Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video. Today teaming up with iMyPhone to present you one of the best, or should I say a complete solution to recover your lost data. In this video I will also talk about the features it comes with, as well as give you a small overview of AnyRecover from iMyPhone. I will also give away 4 licenses of AnyRecover Pro version, so watch full video to know more about details of giveaway and AnyRecover. AnyRecover, which is also available for Windows and Mac, enables you to recover data from a full range of devices: hard drives, USB flash drives, SD cards, SSDs, cameras, etc. It also supports 1000 plus file types, including photos, videos, office documents, archives, and much more. You can retrieve unlimited data in just 3 steps. Anyone can restore lost files on their own without any hassle. In this video, I will show you how to recover data in few steps, also give you a full overview of AnyRecover from iMyPhone. Let me tell you why I have chosen AnyRecover as the best choice of data recovery. Well, just because it is fast, reliable, and is simple to recover data. Even a novice user can recover lost data. So let's start this video and know more about AnyRecover. AnyRecover can recover lost data from any rewritable storage medium you have. When you delete a file, it is still stored on the hard drive in an invisible way, while AnyRecover can search and get it back with its advanced algorithms. Just select Scan and Preview and Recover. Only 3 steps are needed. Let's open it from Apps menu, click on Start, and then go to iMyFone AnyRecover. Click on to open it. This is the UI it comes with, which is simple and everything is available at glance, where it mentions common areas to recover files such as desktop, recycle bin, and my documents, and then it lists hard disk drives with partition names. Thereafter it mentions external removable drives, which can be a pen drive, SD cards, SSD, or camera as well. Just connect your device and click on refresh to show up here. Now if you can't even find your partitions, it shows up the hard drives on your device. I have 2 of them, so it mentions both of them here. Now the best thing about AnyRecover: computer crash recovery. Even if your device had crashed, you can recover data from crashed computer from this option. You can also recover from virtual drives, or can even specify a location to recover file. Everything at your glance, such neat and clean UI. I just love everything about AnyRecover till now. Now let's try our hands on this and try to recover one of my files. For that, I will be deleting one of my videos which I had created previously. For that, opening this PC and then going to F drive, and from there uploaded videos, and then we'll be deleting one of them. For instance, let's delete rollback to version 2004 video. Now I will also empty my recycle bin so that file gets removed. Now I will select location as uploaded videos from specify a location section of AnyRecover, and click on Start to start looking for files deleted. After few minutes of scan, it shows up a file in videos, and you can see it's the same video which I deleted. As I have found the video I was looking for, I can abort complete scanning, but let's allow it to complete scan. It may take some time depending on the capacity of your drive or folder. Once it's done, it comes up with a message with scan complete. And if some files are not found, one can recover the found files and again scan to look for missing files. But as I have already found the file, no need for a rescan. But if in your case file is not found, you can again scan for files. Click on OK, and then you can even preview file. If preview is available. For my file it's not available, so I will recover it by clicking on recover and specify the location where I want to get it recovered. We'll select desktop, and here it creates a folder and moves the file into it, and comes up with the message, congratulations, files recovery completed. Click on OK, and then you can also view the file just recovered. This is how simple it is to recover files using AnyRecover. Now let's talk about the pricing and how you can download it. Let's move to official product page of iMyPhone AnyRecover. I have already shared the link for the same in description of the video and in pinned comment as well. Now from official webpage you can free download it, or you can also buy it. Just click on buy now, And here comes product buying page with options of pricing plan with monthly and lifetime licenses plans. Monthly plan starts from $49.95 and lifetime plans start from $79.95. What I will suggest you to go for lifetime plan, and if you want to you can choose for multiple devices option as well depending on your requirements. The best thing is that even the basic version of AnyRecover comes with great features, but then pro version enables you to create a bootable media to recover data from crashed PC, which is fantastic work from AnyRecover. I will highly recommend you to go ahead and try out AnyRecover, which is surely one of the best data recovery software available in market as of now. Now coming to giveaway, I will be giving away 4 licenses of AnyRecover Pro version. To get that, you are just required to like this video and share it on your social media accounts. Post a comment about the best feature of AnyRecover or what you want to be added to AnyRecover in future updates to increase your chances of being a winner of this giveaway. The comment with most number of likes will be one of the winners, and rest 3 winners will be selected through giveaway. So check the link for giveaway in pinned comment and description of the video. Go to our Facebook post for complete details of giveaway. Also, special thanks to iMyFone AnyRecover for sponsoring today's video. This is what I had in this video. Thanks for watching. I will share name of the giveaway winners in another comment as well as other social media handles. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Also, if you are new to WM Originals and have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe for future giveaways and videos. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.